How to block Moneylion. Blocking Moneylion from your financial account is surprisingly straightforward. In this short quick guide, I'll walk through the steps to take control and manage your subscription effectively. First things first, open up your Moneylion app and log into your account. And once you're inside, tap on the profile icon in bottom right corner. It's over here. Tap on it and scroll down. And over here you can see a section called Membership. Tap on it. This is where you will find the details of your current plan and billing information. So if you wish to cancel or block any payments to Moneylion, you need to select Manage Membership or similarly named option. However, in my case, I'm not using any plan right now, so you can see this option called Manage Membership over here. However, if you have taken any membership or the subscription, you will see it over here. Next thing what you have to do is follow the prompts to cancel your subscription. It's important to follow all the steps carefully, ensuring that the cancellation is confirmed. After that, you will receive an email confirming your cancellation once completed. So be sure to check your inbox. And if you are managing this process from your bank, simply access your online banking app. Navigate to the transaction section and locate any recurring payments to Moneylion. Use your bank features to stop or block these payments. By taking these simple steps, you can confidently manage your money and ensure that the subscriptions are under control. Remember to keep an eye on your email and statement for any changes or confirmation. And that's it. Now you know how to block Moneylion and manage your accounts with ease. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.